Good morning, children. This lesson is for class 5 for the subject of mathematics, topic fractions, which is covered in your textbook and it is submitted to you on 23rd of August 2021. Students, in the previous lesson, we started with the introduction of fractions and addition of fractions. Today, let us start with the subtraction of fractions. Subtraction is also similar with the addition of fractions. Suppose we have to subtract 3 by 7 from 5 by 7. Fine. Now denominator the same, so no need to change anything in the numerator. Just simply subtract the numerators. Now 5 by 7 minus 3 by 7, denominator same, put a line 7 and simply subtract the numerators, that is 5 minus 3 gives you 2 by 7. Then 2 by 7 from 5 by 8. Now 5 by 8 minus 2 by 7. Now see carefully, denominators are not same. We have to make them same. How? 5 by 8, multiply this fraction with the denominator of other fraction, that is 7. We get 35 by 56. Then 2 by 7 will get multiplied with this denominator, that is 8. So we get 16 upon 56. So what we get? 35 minus 16 upon 56, which gives you 19 upon 56. Now we have to subtract 2 upon 9 from 2 upon 3. This is 20 by 9 if you change it into improper fraction. This is 11 by 3, means 11 by 3 minus 20 by 9. Now you have to make it same. You can also do this thing that you can multiply here with 3, here with 3. It will become 9. Then there will be no need to multiply here. Or you can also do the same as we have done here. 11 by 3 into its denominator, 9. Then 20 by 9, its denominator, 3. Then 99 by 27 minus 60 upon 27. Denominator same. Simply subtract the numerators. We get 39 by 27. And on doing the cancellation, we get 13 upon 9. Then we have multiplication of fractions. That is very easy. 1 by 2 into 3 by 5. Multiply the numerators. 1 into 3, 3. 2 into 5, 10. Simply multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. Then 3 by 4 multiply 7, multiply 4 by 11. 3 into 4, 12. 7 into 11, 77. Then the next we have 2 by 3 to 1 by 4. Change into improper fraction, we get 9 by 4. Now 2 by 3 multiply 9 by 4. 2 into 9, 18. 3 into 4, 12. Now we get 18 upon 12. Both comes in the table of 2. 2, 9, 18. 2, 6, 12. Now they come in the table of 3. 3, 3, 9. 3, 2, 6. You can also do the cancellation with 6 also. Clear? Then we have reciprocal of fractions. Reciprocal of fraction 2 by 3, suppose we have, it will be 3 by 2. Means denominator will become numerator and numerator will become denominator. Simple. Suppose we have to find the reciprocal of 5 by 11. What would be? That will be 11 upon 5. Then we have divide. In division, we change the divide sign into multiply sign and then we simplify. 3 by 8 divided by 11. Change this divide sign to multiply sign, and when the divide sign changes to multiply sign, we reciprocate the second fraction. Now this is 11 by 1. it will be 1 by 11 when division will get changed to multiplication. So now 3 into 1, 3, 8 into 11 is 88. Then we have divide 1 by 3 by 1 by 2. This is what? This is 3 by 2. Now change the divide to multiply. Reciprocate it. 2 by 3. This will become what? 1 into 2, 2. 3 into 3, 9. Then we have 1 3 by 4 by 3 by 5. This is what? 4 into 1, 4 plus 3. 7 by 4 by 3 by 5. So multiply them. 7 into 3, 21. 4 into 5 is 20. Clear? Now let us start with the problem sums. A can had 5 by 6 liter of juice. Fine. Of this, 3 by 4 liter of juice was consumed, means it has been used. So what quantity of juice is left in the can now? What we will do? Obviously we will do the subtraction, because out of this much juice has been consumed. So 5 by 6 minus 3 by 4. Again denominator is not same. Clear? So what we will do? 5 by 6 into 4 minus 3 by 4 into 6. So it will become 20 by 24 minus 18 by 24. What we get? 2 by 24. And on doing the cancellation part, we will get the 1 by 12. Clear? Now take a break for 2 minutes and do the following question. Divide 2 by 4 by 9. Divide sign changes to multiply sign. Do the reciprocal here, that is 9 by 4. 2 into 9, 18. 1 into 4 is 4. So we get 9 upon 2. Now a farmer uses 1 by 3 of his garden to grow vegetables. 1 by 4 of garden is used to grow pulses. So what part of garden is used to grow wheat? So now what we will do, in garden he is growing vegetables, that is 1 by 3. And 1 by 4 part of garden is used to grow pulses. So now wheat here, where he will grow? Obviously we will do the subtraction here. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. So again make the denominator same. 4 into 4 minus 3 into 3. So what we get? 4 by 12 minus 3 by 12. That will become 1 by 12. Yeah. Next one is 5 by 6 of a journey is 150 kilometer. What is the total length of the journey? So total length of the journey we have to find out. We know this thing that 5 by 6 of the total journey is 150 kilometer. So what will be the total journey? What we will do? Now see, 5 by 6 is getting multiplied here. And whenever one term we shift to other side, its sign get changed. Means if there is multiply sign, it will become divide sign. So now division changes to multiplication. So reciprocate the next term. So we get 6 upon 5. So what we get? We get 180 kilometer. Clear?